So, what lifestyle habits do you have in place in your life so as to keep fostering the habit of writing? Is it part of like your prayer life? Is it something that's kind of like supplemental to, time in the secret place? Like how does that work with you and the way writing comes about?
There's nothing that I have to cultivate. It's who I am.
Right.
What I have to do is be sure that I give myself to it. And that means whatever the particular circumstances, travel, whatever else is going on. I may finish preaching, get back to my hotel room on the road, and now it's back to writing if I'm really gripped with something and in the midst of it. There is discipline involved when you're on a project. For example, in the early stages, you're so caught up with it and gripped by it that you're almost carried by, you have to focus on other things while you're doing other things because you so much just want to get away and write. So you got to focus on, who you're sitting in the office with and talking with at that moment, and what else you're doing. Radio, of course, I'm always focused on when I'm doing that and preaching, but otherwise you got to pull away from writing to just do the mundane daily things. But then once you're involved longer with the project, there can now be, okay, I've got to annotate the whole thing. I've got to fill in lots of references. Now it's got to be carefully proofed and edited, before I'm going to send it out even for the editor to look at. With academic work, it can be, years of all of the little things that you don't like to do that you have to do to get the project to the end. So it's almost like that initial push carries you, but then there's the ongoing discipline of just working at it and going with it. For me, though, as I say, because I'm burdened to write these things, it's simply a matter of saying, okay, I'm going to push through and do this now. I'm tired, but I'm going to push through and do this. The other thing I think it's important to add, though, is when I'm writing a book, and it's not like my commentary on Job, which I'm just doing final editing on, and that's the editor and I agreed once I had submitted the manuscript, why don't I add a translation of the book? So while it's in the editing process, I'm working on it. That's almost like a physical workout, like, okay, 10 more reps kind of thing. It's like, all right, stay with it. One more verse, two more verses, do the hard work kind of thing. But otherwise, when I'm writing other books, I want it to be kind of like being carried on a riding lawnmower as opposed to pushing an old lawnmower through thick grass. If I'm not being moved by the thing, if I'm not carried by it, if I'm not gripped by it, if I can't wait to get back to writing that, then I'm not in the flow for that chapter. Then something is missing, and I want to step back and either see, okay, I need to look at this differently, or maybe this is a chapter for another book, or maybe it's just a little off track. That I want to be carried by it, and then hopefully as the person's reading it, they'll be carried by it.